are you? I
Point.
hope you all are fine in home. Okay. Welcome to the math class. Today we are going to learn basics of geometry, lines and angles. So objectives, we will able to learn point, line, line segment, ray, angle. These are basics concepts of geometry. First one, point. Point is most fundamental objects in geometry. It is denoted by dot. So P is a point. P is a point. Next one, line. Line is a combination of points that extended infinitely both the direction. Extended infinitely both the direction. Here A and B are 2 points extended either side. So AB is called line. It is denoted by AB bar. So AB is a straight line. For example, railway track. Next one, line segment. Line segment is a part of line with fixed endpoints. Line segment is a part of line with fixed endpoints. So P is starting point and Q is ending point. So PQ is called line segment denoted by PQ bar. For example, ruler, scale. Scale is starting point and ending point. So some fixed length, this scale is 30 centimeter length. Next one, ray. Ray is a part of line with one end point and other is extended. So here A is starting point or end point and B is extended. So here AB is called ray. AB is called ray denoted by AB bar. And next one is angle. Angle is measured by orientation between two rays with common end point. Orientation of two rays with common end point. Here OA and OB are two rays. The common point is O. So common point O is called vertex. This part is called angle. And next one is types of angle. Types of angle. First type is acute angle. Acute angle is the value is less than 90 degrees. Next one, right angle. Right angle is exactly equal to 90 degrees. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is greater than 90 degrees. Next, straight angle. Straight angle is equal to 180 degrees. And next one, reflex angle. Reflex angle is greater than the 180 degrees. So these types of angles, small activity. So this is acute angle. It's common point, two rays. This part is called angle. So acute angle. Next one, right angle. Next one, obtuse angle. Next one, reflex angle. So thank you one and all. And next